So students, today we will learn second experiment about chromatography. You very well know about chromatography. In class 11th also you studied that it is a separation method and based upon the adsorption process. So object of the experiment is to separate the colored components present in the mixture of red and blue ink by ascending paper chromatography and find their RF values. Now what is ascending paper chromatography? Here you will be provided with a paper. This is called chromatographic strip. On this chromatographic strip you will draw a line like this 3 centimeter from the base of this strip with the help of a lead pencil, not with the pen, and in the center you will apply a spot of mixture of red and blue ink like this. Then after that you will arrange this strip in a chamber containing solvent of 5% alcohol and you must see that spot you applied of the mixture of red and blue ink may not dip in that solution. It must be above the level of the solvent, and after some time you will see that this mixture will be separated into two components, red and blue, and it will take up to 45 minutes to separate completely. After that you will take out this strip from this chamber, and first of all you will mark the point where solvent has reached. This is the distance travelled from this baseline to this is for solvent, and then you will make it dry. After that you will measure the distance from baseline to the red spot. This is baseline and up to the red spot, and from baseline to the blue. Then here you can see, you will mark these lines and paste this chromatographic strip in your practical copies. Now this is A, distance travelled by red spot from baseline is A centimeter suppose, and for blue ink it is B centimeter, and the distance travelled by solvent is X centimeter. Then you will draw this table like this. After that it is the calculation part here. This is RF value called retardation factor. This is distance travelled by the blue or red ink from the point of application, as I have shown in the strip, that from baseline to the maximum distance, and then distance travelled by the solvent from the original line. Then RF value for A means red spot will be A upon X, and for B, that is blue ink, is B upon X. Now what are the precautions you have to take while conducting this experiment? First of all you will place this chromatographic chamber on flat surface. You can see that I have switched off the fan because even in the presence of air it is disturbed, and we will not obtain separation of blue and red ink properly. It will not obtain in a straight manner. It will go out of the strip and get dissolved in the solvent. So this is the precaution while you will take conducting this experiment. Thank you, students.